Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mehak and I love to create makeup tutorials. In this today's look, we are going to learn how eye makeup look. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you are new to my account, then do subscribe to my channel. Now to start this look, I'm going in with this Revolution palette. It's very affordable. I got it on sale and half price, almost for just $10. And anybody can use it. It's super pretty and colors are amazing. They blend like a cream. For beginners, I am using a flat brush and I'm packing the darkest shade from the palette in my outer corner and inner corner. I have left the gap in between the middle. Then I'm going in with a lighter transition shade, brown shade. I think this was the only shade which I could find closer to the dark shade. And I'm taking a fluffy blending brush. Unfortunately, most of the brushes are dirty, so I couldn't go with small blending brush. So I picked up this one. So you can see I'm using this light brown shade in my crease and blending in to and fro motion. And if you know me, just blend it. Trust the process. Even if you think it's getting patchy, do not worry. Then I'm going in with the light pink shade and then blending it over the brown and also bringing it towards the inner and outer corner. This is the lightest shade, so basically we use 3 shades to blend in all together. You can make any combination. Today I wanted to create this, so I went in with this combination. By the way, I'm using Morphe blending brush. This is amazing. It has got good grip and also the bristles are really good. After this, I'm going in with a concealer on a flat brush. Now if you see, I've just packed a little bit. I'm looking up. Looking up really helps because then it gives you a sizing, or I will say a scope of area where you can just extend your concealer and you won't go wrong. That's the best trick I use. And then I pack the concealer till that line, and once I've packed the concealer, I do not need to set with powder because I just pat my finger and blend a little bit. And then I went with this beautiful bluish shimmer shade and packed it with my shimmer shade. And then I went with a white shimmer in my brow area. If you want, you can use matte shades as well, but I don't know, I'm in love with shimmers. I always use in my inner corner or outer corner. And also bring it a little bit towards my lower lid, and then added the same light brown shade in my lower lash with a blending brush. This is a smaller blending brush, especially in lower lash area. You need a small blending brush because the area is really limited. Do not go with a bigger one. Then I went with that shimmer shade in my lower lash line and added a lavender eye pencil. This is from Revolution. Very affordable, very cheap, and amazing quality. Then I went with some lashes and liner. I always apply liner after my lashes just to finish the look. So this is my final look. Hope you love watching this video. I will see you again in my next video. Till then, see you. Bye bye.